In this video, we will see how we can convert our existing Java project to Maven project. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to choose the Java project. So this is a sample Java project, and right now Maven is not there because there is no pom.xml file. So we are seeing that it's not a Maven project. Now to convert it, we just need to right click on top of the project name, and this type of menu will be appeared. We have to scroll till we find configure. It's almost at the end, second last from the end of this menu. Configure. If you move your cursor over there, you will see these sub menus are there. From here, we have to choose the last option, which is mentioning convert to Maven project. We just need to click here, and very shortly it will bring like this window. Here you need to give three information: group ID, artifact ID, and version. So group ID is like company name, artifact ID is just project name, and version you can use any version. So group ID I'm going to choose like FewSteps, and artifact ID we have to type the name of the project. So for example, I'm going to create a project for API testing, so we can mention like API automation, simple name. Okay, but it depends on the project requirement. Based on the project, you will actually configure this type of thing, and then we have to press the finish button, and very shortly this will be a Maven project. Previously it was a Java project. Now you see there is a pom.xml file, and this is the pom.xml file, and it's now a Maven project. And that's it. In this way we can easily convert a Java project to a Maven project.